How to show offline on Instagram. So in this video, I'll go ahead and teach you guys how you guys can go ahead and appear offline on Instagram. So as you guys can see on my screen right now, I actually have a person in my direct messages by the name of Frenzy. Now you can see that he is actually online. Now, if you want to prevent from the green button actually showing up on your profile, all you have to do, guys, is pretty much head over to your profile. Now, go ahead, if you want to appear offline, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner on your profile section, and then click settings. Once you go ahead and do that, make your way to privacy, and under privacy you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you see a setting called activity status. Now I want you guys to go ahead and click on that. Now once you go ahead and click on it, you should be able to see that it shows activity status here for us already. Now if you want to appear offline and you don't want the green dot right next to your profile picture, then just go ahead and pretty much uncheck this and it'll go ahead and turn gray. Now that'll go ahead and show offline for you, and it's basically going to make you appear offline to others on Instagram, so people won't actually bother you. Let's say you have that one person that bothers you all the time, you don't want to let them know your activity status. So that's how you go ahead and appear offline on Instagram. It's super easy, guys. It's super simple. But with that being said, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.